Have you ever wondered if it's possible to lower your blood sugar levels overnight? For people with diabetes, blood sugar fluctuations are quite natural. These levels can drop or spike without any warning signs. Both scenarios are equally dangerous for diabetics as they can lead to a range of serious side effects. This becomes even more alarming when it happens during the night. In today's video, we'll reveal some evening habits you can adopt to help stabilize your blood sugar while you sleep. They're incredibly simple, yet the benefits they bring are astounding, potentially transforming your morning glucose readings. And don't look away, because at the end of the video, we'll share a list of foods you should avoid to ensure your blood sugar levels don't hit the danger zone overnight. First, check your blood sugar before bed. Make this a habit, your golden key to protecting your blood sugar. This simple action helps you detect trends in your glucose levels. By comparing your evening and morning readings, you can understand how your body reacts to dinner and recognize early signs of hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia. It's especially important because it allows you to anticipate how sleep will affect your blood sugar. Insufficient sleep can lead to insulin resistance, causing morning blood sugar spikes. Meanwhile, high blood sugar levels before bed may leave you restless, fatigued, and stressed. Beyond that, monitoring your glucose levels also helps assess the effectiveness of your diet and medication. If your readings are off, this is your chance to adjust your dinner or insulin dose, avoiding potentially dangerous complications. So, how do you check your blood sugar correctly? Choose a time about 2 to 3 hours after dinner for the most accurate results. Consistency is key. Try to test at the same time every evening to gather reliable data. Prepare your glucose meter, lancet, and alcohol swabs to ensure hygiene. Gently clean your hands, especially the fingertip you'll use for the test, measure your levels, and record them immediately. The ideal bedtime blood sugar range is typically 90 to 130 mg/dl. If it's below 70 mg per deciliter, eat a light snack with carbohydrates. If it's over 180 mg per deciliter, reassess your dinner choices or consult your doctor. Regular monitoring allows you to track changes in your body and adjust your diet effectively, paving the way for a healthier lifestyle. But this is just the beginning. The real surprise lies in other evening habits, things most people overlook but that can turn your body into a well-oiled machine while you sleep. Small actions can have a game-changing impact, and you definitely don't want to miss them. So, don't look away. Coming up, we'll reveal a secret that very few people know about, yet it could work wonders for your health. Are you ready to discover it? Next, establish healthy evening habits for better blood sugar health. Did you know that what you do before bed can impact your sleep and determine how your body regulates blood sugar throughout the night? This could be the game changer for your health. Nighttime is when your body recovers, and it's also when processes like blood sugar regulation are at their peak. A good routine supports this process, while bad habits can leave your body struggling to manage glucose levels. For example, eating dinner too late or consuming high-sugar foods forces your body to work overtime, leading to elevated blood sugar levels at night. Conversely, maintaining quality sleep not only helps insulin function more effectively but also reduces the risk of insulin resistance, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and balanced. So, how do you optimize your evening habits for better health? Start by eating dinner at the right time, ideally 2 to 3 hours before bed. Your food choices matter too. Instead of fast food or carb-heavy meals, prioritize fiber-rich options like leafy greens, brown rice, or salmon paired with healthy fats from avocado or olive oil. You might also try taking a light 10-15-minute walk after dinner. This helps your body naturally use glucose and promotes digestion. Don't forget to reduce stress. A long day filled with pressure can cause cortisol levels, a hormone that raises blood sugar, to spike. Instead, dedicate time to deep breathing exercises or light yoga to relax your body and mind before sleep. Avoid using electronic devices at least an hour before bed, as blue light from phones or computers can disrupt your sleep and hinder your body's ability to regulate hormones. Creating an ideal sleep environment is also crucial. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool to support deeper, more restorative sleep. Finally, avoid late-night snacks, alcohol, or caffeine. these can cause blood sugar spikes even while you're asleep. But this is not all. There are other natural, lesser-known ways that can work wonders for your health. Stay tuned, because the most important secret is coming up next, and you definitely won't want to miss it. Can you believe it? Eliminate blood sugar with these magical drinks. With just a few minutes of preparation, you can have a liquid miracle in your hands to help flush out excess blood sugar overnight. Start with cinnamon tea, a drink often called the best friend of anyone looking to stabilize their blood sugar. Cinnamon enhances insulin sensitivity, improving your body's ability to process glucose. Simply steep a cinnamon stick or a pinch of cinnamon powder in warm water, and you'll have a delicious, effective drink to support your blood sugar. If you're looking for a powerful source of antioxidants, pomegranate juice is the perfect choice. Packed with polyphenol, it reduces oxidative stress and protects blood vessels from damage caused by high blood sugar. Make sure to choose unsweetened juice and stick to a small glass, about 5 ounces, in the evening. Ginger tea is another must-try beverage. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger improves insulin function and stabilizes glucose levels effectively. Boil a few slices of fresh ginger in water, and you'll have a drink that's both healthy and soothing for your digestive system before bedtime. Another effective option is diluted apple cider vinegar, a fantastic secret for managing blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar slows the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing post-meal blood sugar spikes. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 8 ounces of water and drink it before bed to notice the difference. If you prefer a milder drink, green tea is an ideal choice. Rich in EGCG, a potent antioxidant, green tea improves insulin function and reduces inflammation. However, drink it after dinner and avoid consuming it too late to prevent it from affecting your sleep. Don't forget about celery juice. Cooling and mineral-rich, celery helps reduce inflammation and keeps blood sugar levels stable. You can drink it plain or combine it with a bit of green apple for added flavor. Another simple drink is warm lemon water. Loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon aids in detoxifying the body and stabilizing glucose levels. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon into warm water and drink it after dinner for the best results. If you're a fan of refreshing drinks, try fresh coconut water. Full of potassium and magnesium, coconut water helps balance electrolytes and reduces the risk of blood sugar imbalances overnight. Just be sure to drink it in moderation to avoid excessive urination. Peppermint tea is another great choice, especially if you want to relax before bed. It helps reduce stress, a key factor in maintaining stable blood sugar. Steep a few fresh peppermint leaves in hot water, and you'll have a calming, refreshing tea. Finally, try soaked chia seed water. High in fiber and omega-3s, chia seeds slow carbohydrate digestion and regulate blood sugar levels throughout the night. Soak 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in water for about 30 minutes before drinking, and you'll quickly notice the benefits. These drinks not only help stabilize blood sugar but also enhance your overall health. Start experimenting with them to find your favorite. But remember, an even more powerful secret could be hiding right on your dinner table. Stay tuned to uncover it, you definitely don't want to miss out. Did you know about the superfoods for dinner that help lower blood sugar overnight? Are you sure you're eating dinner the right way? The amazing thing is, there are certain foods that not only taste great but also help stabilize your blood sugar effectively while you sleep. After dinner, your body continues to work, digesting food and regulating glucose levels. That's why having a balanced dinner not only prevents sudden spikes or drops in blood sugar during the night but also supports better insulin function. Foods rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats are your best allies. On the flip side, meals loaded with sugar and refined carbs overload your system, causing blood sugar to spike. Start with salmon, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and enhance insulin sensitivity. A dish of baked salmon with lemon and olive oil will never let you down. Next are dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, packed with magnesium and fiber to regulate glucose effectively. You can sauté them lightly with garlic or toss them into a salad. Don't forget chia seeds, which slow down the absorption of carbohydrates. Sprinkle some chia seeds over your salad or make chia pudding with almond milk for a perfect choice. If you're a fan of creamy and rich textures, avocado is a must-have. Mash it up and pair it with whole grain bread for a delicious way to keep your blood sugar in check. Additionally, cinnamon, a simple yet powerful ingredient, boosts insulin sensitivity. Sprinkle a little cinnamon over oatmeal or mix it into Greek yogurt for a flavorful and beneficial addition. For a post-dinner snack, almonds are an excellent option, loaded with healthy fats and protein. For your main course, consider lentils, which are rich in fiber and protein. They can be made into soup or tossed into a mixed salad. If you're craving something starchy but don't want to trigger a blood sugar spike, sweet potatoes are ideal. With a low glycemic index, sweet potatoes help maintain steady blood sugar levels throughout the night. Don't forget mushrooms, a fiber-rich and vitamin D-packed food that can be sautéed with garlic or used as a soup topping. And finally, brown rice or quinoa, complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly and keep you feeling full longer. To optimize your dinner, stick to a balanced ratio, 50% vegetables, 25% protein like fish or legumes, and 25% complex carbs such as sweet potatoes or brown rice. Aim to eat dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime to give your body enough time to digest. Most importantly, avoid fast food or processed meals, as they can disrupt the blood sugar balance you're working to build. Here's the story of someone with diabetes who swapped fast food for baked salmon, leafy greens, and sweet potatoes. Within just a month, their morning blood sugar levels dropped significantly, and they felt lighter every day. But remember, while there are plenty of good foods, there are also certain ones you must avoid at night if you don't want to derail your progress. In the next part, we'll reveal the hidden enemies of your blood sugar that most people don't even realize. Don't miss it. Alright, I'm going to reveal the foods you should avoid at night to keep your blood sugar under control. Be cautious because these wrong choices can ruin all your efforts to manage your health throughout the day. Some foods can cause a sudden spike in your blood sugar levels, forcing your body to work harder to process them while you sleep. Even worse, maintaining an unhealthy nighttime eating habit can lead to insulin resistance, visceral fat accumulation, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. On top of that, these foods can make you crave more the next day. Here's a list of 5 foods you should avoid for dinner. First on the list are fried and processed foods, like French fries, fried chicken, or packaged snacks. These foods are high in saturated fats and refined carbs, making them hard to digest and causing a rapid blood sugar spike. Instead, try baked or steamed dishes with less oil to keep your dinner lighter. Next are foods with hidden sugars. Items that seem healthy, such as bottled salad dressings, packaged juices, or sweetened yogurts, often contain large amounts of hidden sugar that can cause blood sugar spikes. Opt for homemade dressings or sugar-free alternatives to control the sugar you consume. Candy and desserts are another enemy to avoid. With a high glycemic index, treats like cookies, milk chocolate, or sugary candies are absorbed quickly, causing rapid blood sugar increases and interrupting your sleep. If you're craving something sweet, choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao, and enjoy it in moderation. Refined carbs like white rice, white bread, or pasta should also be limited at night. These foods digest quickly, causing blood sugar to rise in a short period. Instead, go for brown rice, whole grain bread, or quinoa to provide long-lasting energy and stabilize blood sugar. Finally, stay away from sugary drinks and alcohol. Soda, cocktails, and beer contain large amounts of sugar and can disrupt insulin balance, negatively affecting glucose regulation. Replace these with water, herbal tea, or diluted lemon water for a more effective body recovery during the night. Avoiding these foods at night offers significant benefits. First, your blood sugar will remain stable overnight, reducing the risk of spikes or crashes while you sleep. Second, you'll enjoy deeper, uninterrupted sleep, which helps your body recover and supports insulin activity. Lastly, managing your weight becomes easier, and you'll wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. A real-life example involves someone who used to snack on cookies and soda at night. They experienced continuous blood sugar spikes and poor sleep until they switched to herbal tea and healthier snack options. Their blood sugar levels improved significantly, and they started waking up feeling healthier and more alert every morning. Alright, my fellow blood sugar warriors, it's time to unveil the magic dinner recipe that will help you conquer the numbers on your glucose meter. Are you ready for a grand finale dinner that transforms your blood sugar game? Let's begin with the main dish, chia-crusted salmon. Start with a 150-200 g salmon fillet, rinse it clean, and pat it dry. Marinate the salmon with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, a pinch of salt, pepper, and the juice from half a lemon. To soften the chia seeds, mix 1 teaspoon of chia seeds with the remaining lemon juice and some grated lemon zest. Place the salmon on a baking tray, spread the chia mixture on top, and bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes until the salmon is tender. Moving on to the colorful avocado salad, slice half an avocado into bite-sized pieces and mix it with seeds from 1/4 of a pomegranate, a handful of microgreens, and 1 tablespoon of roasted sunflower seeds. Drizzle with the juice from half a lemon and gently toss everything together until well combined. To add more fun to the meal, cinnamon sweet potato slices are a fantastic choice. Peel and wash 1 sweet potato, then slice it into rounds about 1 centimeter thick. Coat the slices with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Arrange the sweet potato slices on a baking tray and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, flipping them halfway to ensure both sides turn golden and fragrant. Finally, wrap up the meal with a cup of warm ginger cinnamon tea. Smash a 3-inch piece of fresh ginger and place it in a cup with 1 cinnamon stick. Pour 250 milliliters of hot water into the cup, cover it, and let the tea steep for about 5 minutes. Pour it into a glass and enjoy the relaxing warmth as you finish your meal. Now, sit back and savor your creation. This is a well-balanced and flavorful dinner that your body and blood sugar will be grateful for. Enjoy every bite, and here's to a healthier and happier you. Let me know if you need further refinements.